Okay, YouTube, today we're going to be putting rear shocks on the F150. Last inspection, they said the rear shocks were weak and be due for replacement. So today we're going to replace them with these coil over shocks. Okay, there's the shock. These shocks are longer than the ones that are on the truck because the coil is pushing them up. So I may have to lift it back into the truck just a little bit to get them to fit. So we'll see what happens. Okay, it looks like we're at about 40. Actually, on the bottom of the lip, it's about 40 even. If you look close, you're touching the lip there. So we're talking about 40 inches even. So here's the shock. Okay, we're going to be replacing that. It's one bolt there. And one bolt there. So I'm gonna hit them with some PB blaster so we can get them hopefully released easier. Shouldn't have to jack up the truck. I may do so anyway, but I'm not. Maybe not. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna bother. I don't feel like taking the tire off. I think you'll be able to see what I'm doing. I'll put the camera under here and basically just going to remove that bolt and that bolt. I'll be replacing the old shocks with these coil assist shocks. They are Tennco brand. I guess there's the part number. Same as the Monroe shocks, but this is all they had on Rock Auto at the time that I ordered them. I would have preferred Monroe, but we'll see how these do. These were, I think, $102 for the pair. Okay, you're going to need a socket. You're going to need an 18 millimeter wrench and a 15 millimeter socket. You can use a ratchet. For time purposes, I'm going to just use the impact on mine. I think that'll be good right there. Get it under the brake line here. That's a little snug. And I'm not crazy about how this brake line is in the shock. Okay. Looks like I thought I'm going to have to lift the truck, back of the truck up. Get that to fit. Or maybe even compress the shock with a jack. I'm not sure which way I want to go with it. I'm going to have to get another jack and compress this guy, because it does not want to work. I raised the truck as high as I think I can. I don't know if I can get a little more out of it without picking it up off the ground. All right, we're going to have to use my little emergency jack here and compress this if I can. Not like how close it is to that tire, but that should be all right. There we go. That worked. Let's see what lines up. Better alignment tool here. But we'll get it. Get out of my way. Got the top nut on, got the bottom nut on. So that's it. Just need a little assistance because of the extra length on the springs. Got my head ear protection here. She's standing at almost an inch, 3/4 of an inch left. Okay, so they're about 3/4 of an inch lift. I really wasn't looking to lift it. I'm looking for more stability when I'm towing. When I get my camper on it, I have a pretty light camper. That's my camper that I tow with it. And even with that little light thing, that's only like 2,800 pounds, this camper. And it squats pretty good when I put that thing on it. So that's what we were looking for, just a little bit more stability towing and not squatting so much with a load on it. I occasionally tow other trailers with it, and they're a lot heavier than my camper, and it really squats down pretty low then. So that's what I was looking for, just to get a little more stability towing. Yeah, the old shocks are pretty well shot.